How to find Facebook hidden friend list. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can find Facebook hidden friend list or the hidden friend list on Facebook. Now, if you open up the app and log into your ID, you'll get an interface like this. Now just head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can see just below the home page icon. And here if you scroll down below here, you'll be able to see all your friends. Now, the other way around is just once you enter Facebook, on the right hand side of your screen you'll find the three-line icon on the top, and here if you scroll down you'll find the option friends here, and here if you go to your friends you'll be able to see all your friends. Now how do you see your friends friend list? Now if you open up the profile, let's say I open up this profile, and if you scroll down on the profile you'll find the option friends and see all friends. Now open this up, and here you can see mutual friends with the person that, and if you go into all you'll be able to see their friends. Now you can see this person has hidden his friend list, but how do you find hidden friend list? How do you see them? Well, there is no any way that you can see the hidden friend list on Facebook. If the person wants to hide it and if he sets his friends to private, then there is absolutely no way that you can view his hidden friend list. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.